How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is just going to be Christmas stash ads. I'm a little late getting that out, but I just not had time to mess with it. And I finished up a model to go with Terry's van down here. It's a 120 scale Corvette. It was a parts bag kit, just a builder, a glue bomb, whatever, that I tore apart and rebuilt, that I got off old Tony Lancer. But before we do, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never charge you a thing, man. Not a dime, nothing. No Patreon, no nothing. The only thing I ask is if I mention somebody in this community, and I'll always leave their information in the description below. You click on it and you go over there, and if you're not already subbed to them, like, share, subscribe, you know, the whole 9 yards. That's all I ever ask for, guys. And if you need to contact me, my info's below too. I always leave a Gmail down there, so you can contact me for anything. And all right, well, I guess what I'll do is start out. I got a whole stack of stuff. Let's get this one right here. These two right here were from my youngest son. Y'all know he's an Army recruiter. He lives up in upstate New York. And he sent me this one right here. It's the Ultra Wheelbase 65 Chevelle funny car. Awesome kit. And then he also sent me this one right here. It's the 64 Chevelle Malibu SS. Another great kit. I'm so glad Round 2 has reissued these guys. God, we're lucky. I'm not a kit snob, guys. I love Round 2. I love everything they're doing. I love vintage kits. I love restoring vintage kits. Don't get me wrong. I know they don't have the most detail or this or that, and I love a high detail kit. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not just gonna build Tamiya because they go together like butter. I'm not that type person. I build everything, and I got lots of Tamiyas and everything, and high dollar kits, multimedia kits. It don't matter. But I'm gonna tell you right now, these old AMT Johan MPCs are still my favorite. I don't give a crap. Love them, guys. Let me set these over to the side here. Yeah, I got this whole big old room, and I'm already out of room. Then my oldest boy, he lives about an hour away from me, Chris, and he got me this one right here. He knows I love my Tamiya kits too, but he knows I love my JDM. When I was growing up, my mom and stepfather, David Wagner, he and her both, they were both into cars. I mean, I remember from my early age, back in the 70s, them having 68 Camaro, oh my God, Challengers, Cougars, I can't even remember them all. Corvettes. That's where I get the love of Corvettes too. But they also had his and hers 71 Datsun 240Zs. 71, yeah, I think they were 71s. There were 240Zs. Hers was silver, and his was that pea yellow, kind of a yellow. I don't even know the color of it, but I remember driving in these, or riding in these, not driving them. Riding in these as a kid back in the 70s. And my God, I seen that 160 mile an hour on the speedometer. I thought that was the coolest thing. But these are fun little cars, and they bring back a lot of memories. So, yeah, thank you, Chris. And this is new tooling. Man, awesome kit. Thank you, brother. I got good kids. Now, my wife, Now, my wife had got me this one right here. she ordered this one for me, and that is the GTO, the newly tooled GTO with the awesome wheels. Yeah, don't have an engine, but the hood is open. It's curbside, but man, you can put an engine in it. Awesome, great kit. And not one, but she bought me two of these guys. The big 112 scale Revell Camaro. And you need to keep an eye out, because down the line here, after the small scale group build is over with, me and a buddy of mine, Robert Bishop, y'all know him. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. We're going to be doing buddy builds. He is building the Bill Jenkins Grumpy's Toy 69 Camaro, and I'm going to be building mine as a sleeper, and it will have the steel wheels and the dog dish hubcaps, guys. I might even put a vinyl top on it, and of course it's going to be green. I got two of these, and he's also 3D printing me off all the Grumpy toys for my other one, the slicks, the big block engine, the roll cage, the whole 9 yards. And guys, he is a heck of a 3D printer. So yeah, I even got my decals ordered for my Bill Jenkins car too. So I got two of those, guys. So I'm going to throw those right there. Now, my wife also got me these right here. And yeah, I already got these, but man, you cannot have enough. Darts, anything Mopar, it don't matter. Dusters, anything. And then this one right here, man, that's a double kit all day long. 2 full kits in there. You can't go wrong with that. I even got the original from the 60s of that. Love those kits. Now, for myself, been wanting one of these for a long time, guys. It's a builder kit. Every bit of it is there. Only thing about it is I had to order new decals, which I've already ordered the decals for it from Slicks. Well, actually, it was what was that place called? Mark's Decals, Mike's Decals, whichever. Mike's Decals, Mark's or whatever. I ordered the decals for it, and that's actually where I got the Slicks Grumpy Toys decals for the big scale Camaro too. Ordered those from him too, and I think I ordered something, another set of decals from him, but I got that right there. That is the MPC. Was that Butch Lil's Duster Pro Stock California Flash, guys? This thing's awesome. Love it. And then I've been wanting one of these for God, I don't know how long. I finally got a good deal on this. You can see back here, I don't know if you can see it, but I got the original issue American Graffiti car up there too, the Milner's Deuce. So now I have the dragster. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, that was Christmas to myself. And then my buddy Dan the Man over at 60s Rural, he sent me a gift. Look at this. You know, is that not awesome? That is the Pyro, and this is it's not small. It don't have a scale on here, but it's kind of, I think it's a little bit bigger than 124 or 125th. It's more towards the 120th scale, I think. It's or 116 or something. It's off scale, but man, this thing is awesome. I will have to do an unboxing on this sometime. But I got to do this video, and I still need to do my Jeff's Model Car Garage, the big rig group build. I got to do a video entry on that, and I still got to do my own entry for the small scale group build, guys. Those videos will be coming sometime during the week, but I figured I'd get this one out because Christmas has been over with for a minute now, and I figured I'd get this out there. But yes, thank you, Dan. You are truly the man. God, I love it. Go with all my awesome vintage kits and everything, guys. What we're going to do here is, y'all remembered I built that Terry Thacker van. I don't know. You can look down here and see it in the case down here. The one I messed the paint up on. The one I screwed up. Well, yeah. So what I'm doing is it's 120 scale. I want another 120 scale to sit in there by it. So I had an old Corvette. I got off old Tony Lancer. It was the MPC 120 scale 69 Corvette. And we're going to turn this around over here and show it to you. Like I said, I don't have a box for this kit. But this is the kit right here that I'm talking about. It's the MPC 120 scale Corvette. I got a bag kit from Tony Lancer. And this was in it. It had been built on a little bit and not fully complete, I don't think, but it was in pretty rough shape. And you can see right there, didn't have no decals in it, of course, but this is what I done with her. She was kind of, what was put together was kind of glue bombed, or pieces were broke. But guys, it's fun to restore and rebuild old kits. And yes, I could have done a way better job, but I wasn't going to. I just wanted something that I could just throw on in my display cabinet and set next to the van. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everything don't have to be show condition, showroom quality. I mean, this is just a kit that was saved from the scrap pile, guys. Let's put it to you like that. Saved from the junkyard. She lives to drag another day. And I'll get it off this stand here, and I'll get in closer and show everything to you. But yeah, she was a fun build. I store stickers out of the parts box, guys. Just, yeah. I mean, like I said, I can do a way better job, but you know what? Sometimes you just don't care. Sometimes you just want to build something just to build something in between builds and just put something on the shelf. It was a fun build. I'm kind of like old Phil at Horton's Hot Rods. He loves to restore and tinker with bag kits, you know, just vintage kits that just needs love. And that's about the same way I am, guys. I just love it. You can see right here, I got vintage kits right here, models that have been built that need to be loved, and they will be restored or left alone. I got them all through here. You can see right there, I mean, I got some very cool vintage stuff, and I love to fix them up. There's the old Corvair 4-door. That's like a SMP. I mean, guys, it's fun. Go out there and buy you some of them junk models at the car shows and the model shows, them old bag kits sitting underneath the table. Go through them. Man, look at that. That turned out pretty dang good just to sit on the shelf. Yeah, I didn't do no body work to it. I really didn't do nothing. I just painted it, threw it together, put a little bit of wire on it, but you know, nothing special. You can see in there, nothing special on the detail on the inside, nothing at all. I thought about putting seatbelt in. I didn't even mess with it. There's the helmet to it. I mean, guys, it is what it is. She's good enough for my shelf. See, there's still a notch out of it right there. I didn't care. Look at that. Got a little bit of a raised stance in the front. Got the pipe sticking out underneath it. It's got the Hurst wheels on it. Yeah. Nothing special underneath. I really didn't even do much of detailing underneath there. You can see right there. There's nothing special. She's going to go in here and she's going to sit on the shelves. Matter of fact, we might just put her down there real quick. Give me just a second. And there she is, guys, right next to Terry's van. Bada bing, bada boom. Another one restored. Another angel gets its wings. Alright, guys. I'm out. Check everybody out, I said. Peace.